right, today we're going to learn about two types of problem solving. Problem solving is everywhere. All day long we solve problems. And let's think about what you're thinking about. Are you solving problems creatively or critically? Two main ways of solving problems. We all use both of them, but I want you to know the difference. So let me teach you a key word to learn what creative problem solving is. Creative problem solving is generating. Now go ahead and write this down. I want you to write all these notes on your paper because you're going to need to know it. Generating means what? Creating. So under creative problem solving or creative thinking, you're creating ideas. You're generating ideas. What else might help describe that? Generating, creating, producing. So you could produce ideas. And if you can't write as quickly as I can, then learn to abbreviate. Maybe instead of ideas, you want to write IS. Okay? Whatever works for you. You need to remember your abbreviations and what they mean, or it's not going to be helpful. All right, what else could you say is under creative problem solving? Maybe some unique or unusual ideas. You want to test ideas, but that's not creative. That's coming up with them. Unusual or unique ideas. All right, how about critical thinking? Might be a little hard for me to reach over there, but I'm going to give it a shot. So a key word for learning critical thinking skills, critical problem solving would be focusing. All right, I'm going to stretch focusing. Write this down. That's your key word. Focusing. So what do you do when you focus? You analyze. So you're going to analyze those ideas. All right, what else are you going to do when you focus? Maybe decide which ideas are best. Write that down. Decide which ideas are best. All right, maybe there could be some comparing or judging your ideas. So let's write that down. Comparing or judging. And here I'm going to use that abbreviation, ideas. All right, so wrapping up, let's go back to the key word. Creative problem solving, creative thinking. You are generating ideas, kind of like, you know, just sitting there in a think session. You have a light bulb goes off, you get ideas. Critical thinking, you're going to focus. Kind of when you think criticizing, you might think of a kind of a mean kind of guy, focusing on what the issue is. Criticizing isn't always negative. I'm just drawing you a picture to help you remember. So he's focusing on these ideas, analyzing if they're good, bad, if they'll work, if they won't work. Some good ideas won't work. All right, thanks for joining us. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to write it on a sheet of paper, creative and critical, and go ahead and give me some skills, some actual ideas and implementations of creative skill solving. So maybe brainstorming would be a creative skill set. Critical, I want you to have that on the other side of your paper, and I want you to write some critical problems. So what would you do? Maybe you would write a pro and con list. Gave you two. Let's see what you can come up with. 4 to 6. That's what I need from you. All right, see ya.